Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best cordless hammer drills on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Dewalt DCD771C2 20V Max Cordless Drill Kit. The DCD771C2 20V Max Lithium-ion Compact Drill/Driver Kit features a lightweight, 2-speed drill and a 14-piece drill bit set. The drill relies on a 20-volt battery to power it, which means plenty of power, whatever the task at hand may be. The kit also comes with a battery and compact battery charger, meaning that this is the only thing you'll need to buy to get all your projects done. This Dewalt hammer drill is incredibly lightweight and compact, and many users have reported how much easier they have found working with it after their previous, much bulkier and heavier drills. Plus, it has a highly ergonomic handle for ultimate comfort whilst working. Overall, if you need a no-nonsense drill, then this is the choice for you. It'll get the job done time and time again. Just make sure you don't try it on overly tough materials, such as dense concrete, as it may struggle. Number 2. Our second best pick is Dewalt DCK299P2 20V Max Hammer Drill and Impact Driver. The Dewalt DCK299P2 2-tool combo kit is the best toolkit for you if you're looking for multiple applications. The kit features a brushless hammer drill and an impact driver, both of which are very comfortable to use. Thanks to their very compact dimensions, you'll be able to work even in the most cramped of spaces. Triple-mode LED lights illuminate even the darkest of spaces and allow you to adjust the lighting based on the amount of brightness that you need without wasting any unnecessary charge. This kit also comes with 2 20-volt lithium-ion batteries, a charger and a large, sturdy and protective contractor's bag. Number 3. Our third best pick is Makita 18-volt LXT-BL Hammer Drill Kit. This 18-volt drill is powered by a lithium-ion battery and brushless motor. The brushless motor affords a longer run time and overall tool life, while delivering higher speeds and power than others in its class. There are 2 18-volt 5.0 Ah batteries included with the purchase of the drill, as well as a battery charging pack, which delivers a pretty quick recharge time of only 40 minutes. This means you can get more done in a shorter amount of time. Finally, you'll be pleased to know that the tool, batteries and charger come packed in a hard carry case, making the set portable and keeping all your content safe for knocks and bumps. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Dewalt DCD950B 18-volt XRP Hammer Drill. This 3-speed cordless hammer drill is a great pick for someone who wants it all. This Dewalt drill is best in class for better control and balance, and its extended runtime batteries provide long battery life, which makes working with it so much more convenient. It also has a self-tightening 1/2 inch chuck and 22 different clutch settings, meaning there's almost no project it can't tackle. The drill delivers high power of 450 units of max power without unnecessary weight. The drill weighs in at just under. Additionally, the drill features an LED work light, which is perfect if you'll be working in dimly lit, confined spaces. The drill can be powered by any Dewalt 18-volt battery. If you have other tools powered by the same battery, this pick makes sense for you so you don't have to worry about getting different batteries. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Ryobi P18131 Plus Cordless Hammer Drill Power Tool Kit. This Ryobi kit offers it all: a drill, a battery charger, and a flexible bag for storage. The drill itself provides up to 750 pounds of torque, which will allow you to work even with very tough materials. The hammer, weighing only 3 pounds, so you can work for extended periods of time without discomfort or having to take a break due to fatigue. The built-in magnetic bit holder will come in handy while you're working. The drill has also been designed for ease of use and is covered in rubber coatings to ensure a firm and steady grip, no matter what the conditions are. The 18-volt battery will help you power through whatever job is at hand: wood, steel, or stone. This tool comes with a battery charger and a contractor's bag for storage and easy transportation. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.